Okay, so this question's talking about wallpaper remover. They've given us a full bottle is 600 millilitres. She's going to mix some with water. That's the information on the wallpaper remover. She's going to use 750 millilitres of water. So basically it's saying, right, so we've got mix a quarter of the wallpaper remover with 450 millilitres of water. So 600 divided by 4 to find a quarter is 150 millilitres. So basically they're saying that if we think of what's happening here, then we've got the remover to water. So we've got a nice little ratio problem going on here. So for every 150 millilitres of remover, we need 4,500 millilitres of water. But the question's only given us 750 millilitres. So basically they're asking us how much of this will we need. Well, we've got to think to ourselves, how does this become this? Well, when we go through our 750 times table, so 750, 1500, 2250, 3000, 3750, 4,500, then we can see that we had to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we had to divide by 6 to get that to become that. So that means we're going to have to divide that by 6 to keep the ratio the same, to make sure the wallpaper remover is mixed in the right proportions. So 150 divided by 6, lots of ways of doing that. 6 into 1 doesn't work, so carry the remainder over. 6 into 15, go through our 6 times table, 6, 12, can't do another one, so that's going to be 2, remainder 3. So we pull the remainder over to the 0, so we're now saying how many 6s are going? 35, so 25. So we need 25 millilitres of remover. So the answer on the answer line will be 25 millilitres. Just a quick reminder then, so what we did there then is we worked out how much remover we needed for the instructions on the bottle. We needed 150 mils for every 450 mils of water. That meant we could write a ratio for the two things, and because we want the remover to keep the same ratio for the water that actually is going to be used, then we can share the ratio down and then the same the other side to get the 25 millilitres. There are lots of other ways of doing this kind of question, but this is probably the more direct, thinking about the ratio of remover to water and then cancelling through to get the answer at the end.